23rd May 2021, Sunday. I hope you watched the video that I uploaded in the morning. If not, you should go and check it out. Pretty cool video. I shared my experience of me getting vaccinated. Good evening, Shubha Sanjay, Elrigu Namaskara. Welcome back to an all new video. Tech video for all the tech junkies out there. You're going to enjoy this one for sure. If you're here for the first time, my name is Akash and welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new video. So 23rd May, and it's been announced that the lockdown that is already imposed in Karnataka is going to be further extended up till 7th of June 2021. Oh my god, are we already done with lockdowns? I'm personally done because it's tough and very hard staying at home, but the challenging times demand so, and we should obey the rules and we should stay home for our own safety. On that note, please stay safe. Hope you and all your loved ones are doing good in these tough times. Keep it going, keep it safe. So in this video, you're going to be experiencing something very, very, very amazing. A masterpiece, a device that approves all the boxes to be called a master in its category. Oh my god! Wow! Oh boy, this gets me on my nerves because such a masterpiece it is. You are gonna enjoy it for sure. Now, what is this that I'm talking about? This is one device that keeps us, a bit busy, passes our time, keeps us entertained during lockdown, when we stay home, during our weekends and all the times. Personally, one of my favorite device in the tech category. And in the next frame, you're gonna see what it is. I'm just keeping you on your toes to know what it is. I'm sure by the title you already would have guessed what it is by now, but let's keep that spirit going. On that I won't talk much. Let's see what it is. Ta-da! Say hello to the masterpiece, the Sony A9G Master Series TV. Yaar gottilvo, TV means television. One device that keeps us entertained during lockdown. Munde banni, nam cameraman avare, munde banni. Torsi, show this masterpiece. Such a beautiful masterpiece. Oh my god, look at this beauty. Isn't this a masterwork? Tell me, how is it not a masterpiece? So, I'll stop praising my TV and tell you the name, the technical details and all. Let's get on with it. This is a Sony OLED TV A9G Master Series. Why am I so much pressing on the term Master Series? Because Master Series, if you don't already know, is the Sony's top of the spec, top of the line televisions that they have to offer. Now, why is it named Master Series? Sony have the professional monitors called Master monitors. Now, this TV is equivalent to that Master Series color grading and everything. Basically, in terms of quality, this is as good as a professional grade monitor. That is what this TV has to boast about. Now, let's quickly look into some of its technical specifications. Next frame, let's talk about some of the technical details. Now, I don't want to bore you guys with telling all the blah specs, this has that, this has this, but I'm gonna tell you the best features of this TV. To put it so, let's start off with the model name and stuff. This is, by technical full name, is called KD65A9G Master Series. Yes, the Master Series is the name of the TV. Now, 65 is the dimension of the TV, the width of the TV, diagonally width is 65 inches TV. Now this TV comes in three sizes, 55 inch, 65 inch and the massive 75 inch. This is a 65 inch. Now, as I told you earlier, I've been boasting, this has everything, the top of the line that Sony has to offer. This is a 4K, HDR, everything it has. Now, one best feature that I found out of this TV is that if you closely observe, there are no speakers on this TV. Cameraman avare, Torsi, come closer and see, there are no speakers on this TV. I'll show you the back of the TV as well. See, there are no speakers. It is so flat, this thin. Oh my god, just look at that. It's that thin. There are no speakers on this TV. So how will the sound come then? This is something amazing. Oh my god, it blew my mind when I saw this for the first time. It has speakers built into the screen. To be very basic, it creates some sort of vibrations and you get to hear the sound from the TV.
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ತಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಇರಿ, ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಟಿ ವಿ ಆನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು you know what is amazing one feature? Say suppose you're watching a movie and two characters are talking. Now suppose there is one character here and one character here. You get to hear the sound actually coming from this and this. It is truly mesmerizing. That is one amazing feature that I loved. It is a 4K TV. It has HDR10 plus. It is a smart TV. It is a OLED TV, the best inline organic LED TV. Yeah, those are the specs, technical specs that the TV has to offer. And I told it has a X1 Ultimate processor from Sony. It does the perfect job of upscaling even SDR content to 4K. For those of you who don't know what it is, say you have a 4K TV, but the relay, we don't get 4K if you watch a normal channel. So what the generally TV companies does is they have a processor just like in your phone, and that processor, it converts the SDR content to 4K. Now I'm not boasting, this is just a research find out that Sony's X1 Ultimate processor is the best in the game of upscaling. It also has a pixel contrast shifter, all technical details that gets done with it. This has one of the coolest features, and that is the coolest feature according to me. It's a smart TV also. Google ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, Google ಅಂತೀನಿ ಕರಿಯೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. ರೆಡಿನಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿನಾ? Hey Google.
Something went wrong. Try again.
Flop, take 2. Hey Google, turn on TV.
Sure, turning the TV on.
By that, you could see this is a smart TV. Look at the massive screen. Oh my god. And if you also notice, there is literally, practically this is a bezel-less TV. There are slight bezels, but it is very hard to notice. So this is the Sony A9G Master Series. Another feature, it comes built in with all these apps. It is totally, you can totally control it with your voice. It has Google built in. It has all the smart blah blah, Alexa, Google, Bixby and all that shit. It also has one more interesting thing for all the Apple fans out there, including me, is that it has Apple HomeKit and Apple AirPlay 2 built into it. So you need not have an Apple TV to stream Apple TV Plus content, or suppose if you want to screen your phone onto this thing. So that is that. Now let's go to the number of ports. This has 4 HDMI ports, out of which one is an EARC port, enhanced audio recording format. Now what it basically is, EARC andre ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇವನು ಏನೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. It is one of the, for high speed audio and full audio clarity, basically in layman's term, it has the best audio relay, so that is called an EARC port. So you can use your consoles and home theaters for that. That is EARC. It comes in with one EARC port and 3 normal HDMI ports, 3 USB ports to plug in your hard disks, to plug in your devices and whatnot. It also comes with one composite port, one headphone jack, and one more special thing is, please come. This 2 ports, focus. Cameraman ore. These 2 ports that you see right here. Now what is these 2 ports? Those 2 ports are very interesting. Let me tell you why. See, this you see right here. Yeah, this is my amplifier for my 5.1 surround sound. Now what can you do with that? Say suppose you have a surround sound system and you want to, this TV comes with amazing speakers, like the best inline out there. So there are 3 speakers, 1, 2 and 3 in this TV, technically speaking, inside this screen. So what you can do with those 2 ports is that you can connect the center speaker as your center channel speaker, and then have 2 or 3 speakers around for that surround sound effect. Basically this acts only for center sound, and the sounds coming from left and right will be from the surrounding sound setup that you have. So that is one nifty feature that is going to be there. So it also comes with a headphone jack for you to connect your headphones, wireless headphones and whatnot. Now let's talk about the smart features of the TV. Smart features andre smart remote in the start ಮಾಡೋಣ. Now I'll come back to this remote a bit later, but let's talk about the smart features in this TV. It has everything. It is basically an Android operating system, on top of which Sony has its built-ware. It comes built in with Netflix, Prime Video, Apple TV. This is one, it's very, because a very few TVs nowadays come with Apple TV built in. YouTube, Sony Select, basically all of you know what a smart TV is. So yeah, you have Google Play Store and you can download all your apps, and whatnot. So that, let's not talk about much about smart TV because all of us know what a smart TV is. So one nifty feature on this remote is that the remote comes inbuilt with 2 buttons for Netflix and Google Play. So that is nifty. If you want to say switch to Netflix, I just press Netflix and boom, inside Netflix. Okay, now let's talk, since we are already on the Netflix page, I want to tell you one more feature about this TV. Now this TV comes in a special calibrated mode only for Netflix. The saying is that the content creators of Netflix use this calibration in the professional grade monitors to view and to check if everything is proper. Basically, their saying is that this TV delivers exactly what the creators intend to deliver. Oh my god, I'm speaking too much, but it's a brilliant TV. It's a masterpiece TV. Netflix alidhivi saaku. Copyright yaradru hakadre kashta agutte. Let's go back to home. Hey Google, go back home. Google and internet slow, not TV's problem. Yeah, so such a brilliant TV. Oh my god, I get mesmerized every time. The picture quality, trust me, I've been using this long enough to review this TV. I'll tell you a reason why I'm reviewing this TV. None of the YouTube channels, Indian YouTube channels, have this TV reviewed. Such a beautiful masterpiece, and I found out say hardly 10 videos that talked about this TV. This is such a piece of artwork. This is, guys, this is lovely. If you're going to buy a TV, have a look at this. This was launched back in 2019, and till date, this is the only top of the line master series available that Sony has to offer. Now let's not talk about only the advantages. Let's come back to a bit of disadvantages. Now I have a very few disadvantages, but then there are a few disadvantages that I did notice. So coming on, first is the remote. You see this remote? You know, this gives me vibes of that old school, huge, big ass remote. I don't like it. We are in 21st century, guys. This is very huge. This is not. I don't like this remote. See, it's such a huge. Say other manufacturers like Samsung and all have such a nifty remote. They are very small, and this again uses a typical old school 2 shells. Yav generation lidirappa? Huh? Show the expression. Which era are you in, Sony? Huh? People are coming out with lightning cable, micro USB, type C. Aitu igna ನೀವು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಏನರಪ್ಪ ಇದು? What is this? So I don't like this remote. Plus, it's too huge for me to hold it in the hand, and I don't like this remote. That is one disadvantage. The second and the last disadvantage that I found out with TV is that this TV doesn't come with a variable refresh rate. Now again, too much technical. For those of you who don't know, variable refresh rate has got something to do with your gaming freaks. Say you have a big ass console and it supports more like a variable refresh rate. Basically, the refresh rate of the screen cannot be varied with respect to the gaming console. So that is one downside for gamers. But mind you, this will handle gaming amazingly. It is only for the high level gamers and stuff. Basically, that doesn't matter, but it is a con for the TV for that price. Yeah, so this is the Sony A9G review with plus and cons. Hope you liked the video. Do share, do subscribe. Now let's a minute comparison between this to the Samsung. Why didn't I go for the Samsung and went for a Sony? Samsung, first of all, OLED, just for the fact that OLED. Now those of you who don't know what is the difference between Samsung produces a QLED and LG and Sony comes with a OLED. Like, just look at this beautiful blacks. OLEDs give out the best black. The QLED is basically it has only one strip of LED that lights a back screen. That's how QLEDs work. OLED is individually, each pixel can be controlled. Layman's term. So personally, OLED is the best out there in the technology. So yeah, I love OLED. So that is why I didn't go for a Samsung. That's it. Hope you loved the video. And one more thing I loved about the TV is the build quality. Oh. Show them how thin it is. Just look at the screen size. You see this? It is even smaller than a pen's thickness. Oh my god. See, you can't make out the difference. See? See, that much only. So this is the review of the Sony A9G. Hope you liked the video. Do share, do subscribe, and if you're in the market looking for the best TV, trust me, a lot of research work has gone into this, and even in 2021, this TV is the best of the best. The master, the maestro, oh my god, like perfect. And before I end this video, one more thing that I would like to close this video on is that there is a lot of talking going on generally that OLEDs have this image retention thing that happens generally. Yes, that do exist, but Sony has come up with another feature to remove that image retention. Now what is image retention? My sister is looking clueless when I say image retention. What generally happens is, say suppose you are watching a TV channel regularly for hours together, they have this logo, say for example this 430 Anton Galich, whatever is written here, say CNN, you're watching CNN, TV9 ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, public TV, ಗಂಗಣ್ಣನ ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, that public TV logo is here. Now what happens with an OLED is, generally if they stay on that particular same position for hours together, that image will be retained even when you switch to a next channel. Like you can see that public TV logo or this 431 logo even when you switch to a different channel. That is a downside to an OLED. But Sony has come up with a counter feature to battle that OLED. It is called anti-pixel shifting technology. Now what it does is, each pixel, they won't stay here in the same time, they generally shift. That cannot be noticed by a human eye. Basically this pixel might shift, pixel shifting technology, pixel will be shifting to avoid image retention. So that comes with this Sony Master Series to tackle the OLED's downside. So that's it, I won't talk much. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು. ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀಯಪ್ಪ ನೀನು, 20 ನಿಮಿಷ 21 ನಿಮಿಷ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀಯ, ಜನ ನೋಡಬೇಕೋ ಬೇಡೋ ಅಂತ. ನೋಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಮೈ ರಿವ್ಯೂ, ಐ ನೋ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋನ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಟ್ರೂಲಿ ರಿವ್ಯೂ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ told you all the good sides and bad sides. Trust me, when it comes to picture quality, this is the best. Close your eyes, go and buy this TV if you want, if you're buying for a new TV. Lot of research work has gone into this, so you can trust me on that. With that note, let's close. Thanks for watching. Thank you, my cameraman. See you in the next one. Take care, stay safe. Happy lockdown, happy watching experience. ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೀನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂಗಿಯವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೋರಿಸಲ್ವ ಟಿ ವಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು NCS ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಹಾಕೋಣಲ್ಲ, 4K ಇದು ಬರಲ್ಲ. NCS ಆನ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ನೋಡಿ.
Sure, here are some videos.
ನೋಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಏನು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಅದು ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೈ ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್. ಅದು NCS ಆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾಯ್ತು.
ಅಣ್ಣ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಒಂದು.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕೋ.
ಏನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ?
ಟೈಗರ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲೇ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ. ಆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್. ಓ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವಂಟ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಸಾಂಗ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸಾಂಗ್. Wish I could make you hear the audio from here, but yeah, let's take the microphone closer to the screen so that if you can hear that audio is coming from the screen. Go back.
Sound kodu.
Let's wait for that beat drop and then close the video.